Okay, so I am currently inside the nail salon. I'm about to get my eyebrows done for the first time. I've never got my eyebrows done at all before, and I'm supposed to be getting them threaded like right now, and I'm very afraid. But this is what my brows currently look like. They are in need of some assistance. Yeah, this is really very bad. But if you're interested in watching me cry my eyes out, look at my eyebrows done, you should watch this video. And then after this, there's gonna be a brow routine at the end, so that could be nice. I'm very out of breath. I was just walking really fast. It's cold outside. I'm very tired. But yeah, if that interests you, you should keep watching. Okay, bye. Okay, guys, update. This is not threading. This is waxing, and I am now 16 times more afraid. I could die in this moment. I've never had anything waxed before. I've never had threading before either, but like I'm very afraid of wax. So let's see how this goes. I'm probably gonna die. Alright guys, so this is right after my eyebrows have been waxed. As you can see, they look very nice, but there is this little bump above my brow and this little like redness. But oh, you see this little bubble on my brow? You see this little bubble? This little nugget?
Your first time.
Yeah, so like apparently that's what happens on your first time. You get the little nugget on top of your brow. But she did a very nice job, and she was very professional. So I'll show you guys more in some better lighting when I get home. Yeah. Okay guys, so it's been several days. I think I got my eyebrows done on what, like Thursday? I got my eyebrows done on Thursday, I think. And it is now Monday. I'm in Florida. I'm not even in New Jersey anymore. So it's been several days. Yeah, I got them done on Wednesday or Thursday. So I'm back now to do the eyebrow routine. As you can see, all the redness has gone from like all those little bumps I got, and that little white bump is gone. But the texture from all the little bumps is still there. But it is slowly going away. But I do really like how my eyebrows look. But yeah, this is after several days, and the hair hasn't even started to grow back yet, so like that's nice. So yeah, I'm just gonna get right into it. We're just gonna start doing the brows, do the brow routine. But here's the exception. Today's video isn't actually a brow routine, low-key, because I think I left my oh my god. I think I left my ColourPop brow pencil at home in New Jersey. I can't find it anywhere in my stuff. I don't know where I could have put it. So yeah, I have a new brow pencil to try out today. This is the Maybelline Brow Precise Micro Crayon in the shade. All right, we don't know the shade. I'm pretty sure it's dark brown. So first things first, we're just gonna start spooling the brows. You know, spoolie through. You wanna just start working in really slowly. And I line my brows first, so I'm going in very lightly. And I'm just kinda making my line and like tracing my brow. I think this color might actually be good for me. It's a little light, actually, but maybe, I don't know, it's not. I just gotta push a little harder. I might like this brow pencil. This might be a first in my life. I'm so picky about brow products. I'm not picky about brow products. They never have my shade for my brows. I'm kind of filling in at the same time as I'm outlining. And I'm really focusing on the tail because, as you can see, I have a struggle eyebrow on this side. It doesn't really come with the tail naturally. This eyebrow has a nice full tail. This one does not, so I'm making one. Oh yeah, this eyebrow pencil is dark. I love it. Oh, also if you're looking at me like, what the hell is she doing? I fill my brows in very, not precisely. I like them just dark and not too dark. I mean, my hair is naturally very dark, so they're dark regardless, but I like them very just like thick and like full, and then I go more precise in the front. But honestly, I just draw in and like fill it in and then like spoolie, because a lot of times what I'll do is I'll use my brow pencil to shape, and then I'll fill in with a darker eyeshadow as opposed to a brow powder. And the darker eyeshadow that I typically use is in my Morphe palette, so it's under the camera right now. I'm using it as a fake tripod. I didn't want to use the tripod on my ring light today, so yeah, we don't have that brow powder today, that eyeshadow to help us fill in. So it's just this brow pencil, and hopefully this brow pencil will give us some life. And then in the front, I just kind of go straight up and create some fake brow hairs, and then I line the bottom a little bit more and spoolie. For me, spoolie is like my blending brush. I just do what I gotta do and then I blend. Or like I'll start off really sloppy and I'll just spoolie it out. But I love that brow pencil. And then I do clean up my brows. So I take my Tarte Shape Tape in light medium honey. This shade is way too light for me. And when I say way, I mean way too light for me. But you know, it's fine. She's good for priming the eyes and cleaning the brows. Oh yeah, I prime my eyes and clean up my brows in the same step. So you're just gonna see. Grab that all on like that. And then I take this e.l.f. professional eyeliner brush, but I use it as a concealer brush. Obviously, I use it for concealer. So yeah, what I do, I kind of like take it on my eye first so that I don't put too much concealer up here and then it's hard to blend out. I take it like mostly here and I take the excess and then I go up to the brow very slowly and then I kind of just line it like that. And then I do the same. I just go really carefully under my brow and just clean it up. And sometimes I really do like start erasing my brow by accident because I'm clumsy. So, and what I started doing is kind of just like dragging it forward. And then like I'll go in. Can you see what I'm doing? I think you can. So yeah. And then I just finish. I bring my concealer all the way out to here because a lot of times that's where I put my eyeshadow, so I might as well prime all the way out there. So I do all of that and all this is primed and concealed, but I take the excess, only the excess, and I go around the outside of my brow like that. Just for super definedness. And this way I can go in and like conceal around the tail of my brow. Just like that, I go in and conceal around the tail. And yeah, that's how I do that. And once all of that is done, I go in with my little baby, what's this called? My micro beauty blender, mini beauty blender. I don't know what this is called. I got it in a Sephora play bag one time. But yeah, so I use that to just kind of blend out the concealer, soften up the edges. And if you are wondering, I don't do my eyebrows with the magnetized side of the mirror because I feel like when I do that, I can't see how dark I'm making them and how harsh I'm actually making them. And that is a no-go. So I don't recommend doing your brows with the magnified side, but I do recommend if you really, really like concealing your brows and like you're really big about like the cleanup, to do it on the magnified side. It is really nice. I'm just being lazy right now. Now, this concealer is creasing quickly, so what I do, I typically take my, where is it, Sophia? I take my banana powder, and I just kind of dump a little bit out, and I take this little like fluffy brush, I pick up a little bit, and I just kind of press, and just spread it out everywhere. Take a little bit, press, and then just spread because I don't want this to crease because I am going to be doing a lot of eyeshadow work after this. And then I take the excess and I just kind of run on top of this. That step is very unnecessary, but I still do it because I'm paranoid about creasing. There's nowhere even to crease on your forehead. Well, for me. I don't know about other people. But yeah, so once you've set everything down and you've powdered, you're almost done. Oh, excuse me. Now, you can do brow gel if that's what you like. I love brow gel. I think it is very important. So the brow gels that I use e.l.f. brow gel. Listen, this brow gel is $2 and it works. Go get you this brow gel, okay? Is that a bug? Go get this brow gel. Or if you want a more high-end option, the Benefit Gimme Brow. Goof Poof is the pencil, so Gimme Brow is the brow gel. So yeah, Benefit Gimme Brow, I think I'm in the shade like 5 or something. I'm one of the dark shades. And that's a nice like tinted one. That one's also really nice, but that's like $20-something, I'm pretty sure. And I don't got that much money for brow gel, do you? If you do, it's a nice one, go get it. But girl, I'm using this today. And typically I apply brow gel after I've done the rest of my makeup because the powders from the rest of my makeup get into my brow hairs and make them look dusty and not sharp and black like this, like how I like them. but I'm gonna apply it for the sake of this video because y'all gotta see the process. But yeah, if you're not doing the most, just apply your brow gel whenever you want to apply your brow gel, honestly. But yeah, see, I just kind of run through the brows and like put them in a position that I like. And I really focus on putting brow gel right on the tail of my brow, because the tails of my brows, they want to act like runaway slaves and they want to leave, and I didn't tell them to do that. So could you not do that, brows? Thank you. Sincerely from me. Don't do that. I think I'm satisfied. Once you're satisfied with your brow gel got to that long, I'm just extra. Once you're satisfied with your brow gel, let it dry for a few minutes, girl, and then you're done. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys liked watching me almost die getting my eyebrows waxed. But for real, it really wasn't that painful. And that's coming from me. I'm a crybaby. I cry at everything. Like, I cry when I get my eyebrows plucked. So it was very not painful. And I think she was using like a nicer kind of wax, or like a harder kind of wax, because it wasn't very liquidy. It's more like a paste. And it really didn't hurt that bad. And my eyebrows came like really nice. So I really like that. And yeah, I have to say, I really like that place. I like getting my eyebrows waxed. And I think I'm going to keep getting it done, because you look at my past videos, see how my brows looked before. We're not going back to that. We're staying here. But yeah, this is also my brow routine. So if you guys are wondering how I do my brows, this is how I do it. And it takes forever, which is why I always do my brows off camera. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you guys like the vlog style beginning type situation. I thought it was very impromptu. So just let me know. As always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!